In this video, we will show you how you can transfer and then withdraw your cryptocurrency from your finance wallet to the crypto wallet of your choice.
Upon closing your staking plan and requesting the disbursement of funds, your USDTs are transferred to the finance wallet.
We use in this example the stablecoin USDT. Go to the Wallets tab from the menu on the left.
Then in the Finance Wallet tab where your available balance to withdraw is usually located. View the USDT wallet. To transfer your funds to the trading wallet, click on Transfer.
A dialog box appears. Enter the desired amount to transfer, then click Transfer. This transfer is subject to verification by the seed platform. It may take a few hours for your transfer to change to validated status.
From your trading wallet, now, go to the USDT wallet. In it, you can now perform the Withdraw function by clicking on Withdraw. In the same way, as for a deposit, select the network of your choice. We recommend that you use the same one used for your deposits.
Transaction fees are applicable and vary depending on the chosen network. In this example, we are using the Tron network, TR20, which includes, as a reminder, 1 USDT in fees.
Unlike deposits, you will have to enter in the portfolio address field your deposit address held on your exchange. To do this, from your exchange, find the Deposit tab, then select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, USDT in our example. Then specify the correct network as well, namely Tron, TR20, in our example. If your address does not yet exist, it is generally sufficient to click on Create Address to obtain one.
Copy this deposit address using the appropriate function, then paste it into the Deposit Address field from the seed platform. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, i.e. the amount withdrawn will be added to the fee amount, 1 USDT in this example. This sum must be available in your balance, in which case, your withdrawal will not be validated.
Click on Withdraw to validate your withdrawal. The transaction may take a few minutes before being available on your external wallet. An email or notification is usually sent notifying you that your funds are available and usable.
That's it, you've made your first withdrawal. You can now use your funds as you wish. Be aware that Seed also offers cryptocurrency exchange and trading functionality.